Okay, I got it. We are now live from Princeton. Hello, Facebook world.
Hola. See? They can still play.
Yeah, even after however many years.
Yeah. Long.
9 years.
Like a doggies.
Or 8 years, actually.
Yeah, but they're older.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're going into the tunnel. This tunnel was built in 1961, the year before they decommissioned trains, the Kettle Valley Railway train system. And so, but 1 year later, they decommissioned this after they just built it. And so it's part of the Trans-Canada Trail now, and it meets up with the Tulameen River, which is behind where Carlos is taking us derail. And this is just within the Princeton city limits. And we have 2 doggies. And we're going for a walk.
Yeah.
Have a
That's
nice
good.
day.
Yeah.
Hey, doggies.
I'm just trying to think of what to say.
Laka-laka-boo!
I want to say that I believe this is a valid form of transportation. Why do we have to walk anywhere? That sign over there, you cannot see it anymore. It says, "Welcome to the city of Princeton," and we are now travelers coming to the city of Princeton via the transportation method of walking. And maybe we'll come biking here. Maybe we'll come in a horse. We don't need motor vehicles. Or it may be a motor vehicle too, but there are no motor vehicles allowed on this particular Trans-Canada or Trans-Canada Trail. Within the city limits of Princeton, snowmobiles are allowed after that bridge over there. So bye for now, Facebook.